Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create the reports, how you can do the reporting, how you can manage the report option on your Asana account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open the account, and after opening the account, as you can see, you will be able to see the option of the reporting here. So we have to click on the reporting, and after clicking on the reporting option, as you can see, here's the my first dashboard. If you want to create a new reporting, you can also do that. You have to click on the create, and after clicking on the create, the reporting will be created. So as you can see, now I'm going to open this one, and after opening this, as you can see, now these are the completed and incomplete tasks are the 7, completed tasks are the 0, overdue and 7. Each and every option is provided here in the chart way, and they're written as well. So I'm going to click on the add a chart, and after clicking on the add a chart, as you can see, different types of charts are provided here. If you want to choose the chart, or if you want to add the charts like this, you can also add that. Simply you have to choose the types, and you have to manage it. You need to choose the designing, like the project, task, or the portfolio, and the workspace, team, whatever you want. And after doing these all things, you just need to click on the create, and after clicking on the create, your template or your chart will be added. So in this way, you can manage your reporting option. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.